What are we doing this week? Freshwater Fishing Novice's new viewers. How to tie a crazy Alberto knot to attach your leader line and your braid. I didn't think it was as easy as it was to tie. I'm going to prove it is very easy to tie because I do it in this video. All right, let's get right into that. What we got right here is going to be our braid. These are actually both braid, but this is a high vis. Well, this is the dark green, the moss green or whatever. This is the high vis yellow. So I figured you'd be able to see it. I got a ton of lights on right now. Braid for purposes in this video. This will be the braid, and the yellow line that's more visible will be our leader. Maybe I should do it the other way around since this is less visible. Let's switch that. All right, looks a little better. We'll do the braid to our, we'll say our leader, which we'll pretend is fluorocarbon since it's less visible. But what I want everyone to watch is the wraps and stuff like that. So first, we take our leader line, pull out 6 to 8 inches. This is fluorocarbon. What you're going to do is, according to these other pros, you're going to pinch it. But I'm using braid, so it doesn't really matter. So now you have like a little loop with your extra tag. You take your braid and you either go under or over and through. Your choice. Let's go under. You pull out about 6 to 8 inches of that. So now you can see we got our braid line coming through, and this is our leader line. So again, we're going to pinch that. We're going to pinch this right here, and we're going to slowly wrap. I'm going to pinch with my pinky, my thumb and my ring finger on my non-dominant hand. Maybe it'll choke up on a little bit so I can actually do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap over 6 times. Nope, got to keep your finger on it. Oh, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sloppy. 5, 6. And come back around. And then you want to wrap back in the other direction 7 times. So 1, I'm just going to pinch as I go to keep this uniform, or try to. 2, 3. I'm trying to go in between where my other curves are. This looks 5, 6, 7. And I'll go back 1 more. And then I'm going to go, I can see my line. Oh, maybe I won't. Coming up through. So I want my line to come back up through just like that other one did. So the line is on the same side. This is my first time tying it, so bear with me. All right. So now we can see this is a terrible wrap, so I'm just going to slowly pull it. And now I'm going to moisten. Now let's pull. Let go of the tag ends, grab both lines, pull, 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 pull. Trim the tag end as close as possible to the knot. That was not close. This is braid, so it doesn't have to be that precise, but with the mono, or the fluorocarbon in the mono leader, you want to be a little tighter to it. Now we can see that is the crazy Alberto knot, and that's pretty slim, streamlined way to go. I might be tying this from now on since I just tied this successfully the first time. This is a lot tighter and smaller than the double uni knot I'm noticing just from looking at it right here. So don't rush tying your knots. Take your time, do them right, cinch them down slowly as to not cause friction on your fluorocarbon or monofilament. Freshwater Fishing Novice's new viewers, did you learn anything new from me? Maybe the crazy Alberto knot? I'll catch you next time.